Alright guys, let me check something here. I can't believe what happened here, man. It's like we're in a flood zone here. I just got out of Walmart and it's like pouring, man. I've never seen so much rain. And it just rained for like 20 minutes and now we got a flood, man. Look at that. Yeah, this is crazy, man. Like, just rained for like 20 minutes. Now it's all flooded out. I'm in Largo. I just got out of Walmart. It was like pouring like crazy, man. I was like, what the hell? These guys are pretty deep over here. These guys are getting stuck over here, man. Yeah, it's like a low line area over here. You can keep. We got water that's all over there, all over the nose cars. It's just drying up now. We got some clear skies. Oh yeah, we had like a super downpour, man. Like, it rained like the hardest since I've been down here, man. I think this is like the hardest it's rained. We must got like 3 inches in like 20 minutes. I think we got like 3 inches of rain in like 20 minutes. Or more than that, man. Yeah. Largo, Florida. Yeah, it's pretty deep, man. It's like a good, let's say 6 inches, I'd say. This guy's going through it right now. I'd say it's a good 6 inches, man. Yeah, I'd say we got like, I don't know, 3-4 inches in an hour, or 20 minutes. All flooded out over here. Okay. Well, let's see what's up to this guy's tires over here. Look how it's up like, I'd say a good 6 inches on this guy's tires over here. Pretty good, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Don't seem to get rains like this in Michigan. This is probably the most rain I've seen since I've been down here in Florida, man. Like, damn, man. I just went in Walmart and then I come out after like a 20-minute rain, and this is what we got. And this is all dry when I went in Walmart. Holy moly, man. Yeah, it was like thundering and lightning and everything. That's pretty deep right there. Jeez, man. It's pouring out of here. Yeah, I think there's the drains right there. Just backed up. Can't hold. Yeah, the drains look like it's backed up and just can't hold. Yeah, the sewer can't hold any more water. Wow. Yeah, like I said, this was all dry when I came out. Yeah, it's just the sewer can't hold anymore. It's just coming out, man. Right there, right there. This is getting deep right here. Yeah, now we got clear skies. Now we got clear skies now are coming out. So that's good. I can go to the beach tonight. Well, yeah, this is pouring out of here. And they had a leak. They had a leak in the Walmart ceiling. And now we're getting clear skies in Walmart. But yeah, it's flooding out over here. Look, you got like waves. You got like waves of water, man. It's just flooding out. You got like waves. Look. This is like waves of water. Look at that. It's coming out, man. A flood at Walmart. Alright guys, I thought I'd show you that, man. It's like the most rain since I've been down here in Florida. I'm live in Largo, Florida at Walmart. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.